This is Module 1, Week 1, Module 1, Introduction to Training, and this is the introduction section where we're going to talk about the different objectives that we have. It's critical to understand the objectives that we're going through. Learners want to have a high degree of interest in understanding what they're going to learn and why they're going to learn the materials that we'll be going through. Every week, we will define what objectives is expected and what the takeaways are. When you do your training sessions, you're going to need to also go through and define the objectives. So in this week's activities, we're going to discuss the forces influencing the workplace, geographical, economical, the overall implications of what all's driving training for your organization, the pandemic, what the implications of the pandemic have. There are items we're going to be talking about this time around that we've never talked about before in this course because we've never had a pandemic that would influence training to the degree of what we have now. You're going to be able to draw and diagram how training and development, formal and informal learning, all work together in terms of the business strategy. You're going to talk about, or we're going to discuss how you define what the business success is, how it contributes. We're going to talk about the different aspects of training design processes, ADDIE and instructional design. The bulk of this course is going to be on ADDIE, but there are other instructional design systems that we're going to talk about. We're going to spend a few minutes talking about the amount and type of training that's occurring in the United States, as well as worldwide, and how those training components affect everything that we do. We're going to talk about training professionals. Many of you in larger organizations will have whole departments that's their sole function in life, is providing workshops and training to enhance and help your employees. And then the last thing we're going to talk about is what are appropriate resources, journals and websites, and those types of things. How do you define what's valid and appropriate? So those are the types of objectives that we're going to go through over this short beginning session. Let's get started.